Do you need to have your very same photos and videos on smartphone, tablet, and computer using an app, but you cannot find one that syncs and is available on each device? In this video, you are going to see how you can install your Google Photos app on a mobile device in your computer and sync your photos and videos in real time. Step 1. Install Google Photos on your smartphone or tablet. If you are an Android user, go to the Google Play Store and install the Google Photos app. If you are an iPhone or iPad user, go to the Apple Store and install the Google Photos app. Step 2. Install Google Photos on your computer. Once you have the app installed on your mobile device, on your computer, use the Chrome browser to go to photos.google.com, connect with the very same account as the mobile device, and you'll see your personal photos and videos. Then, go to the three dots at the top right of the browser and click on Install Google Photos. You can click on Install. And there you have your Photos and Videos app that is synchronizing in real-time photos and videos across devices. We hope that you like this video and find it useful. If you have any questions or comments, write them below. Subscribe if you would like to see more. Thanks for watching and see you soon.